You're looking for real ways to earn money from your phone, and you've probably heard of these three apps: SagaPoll, Swagbucks, and Mobrog. But which one is actually worth your time? Today I'm putting them to the ultimate test. Welcome to my channel again. Remember to leave a like, subscribe, and share at the end of the video. Let's dive into it. I've done the research for you, scouring through user reviews, forums, and payment proofs to find out which of these apps truly pays the most in Nigeria. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to download and which to ignore. Let's introduce our contenders. First up is SagaPoll. It's known for its simplicity, offering a limited number of short surveys. Its main appeal is that it's designed specifically for African users. Next, we have Swagbucks, one of the giants in the reward space. It's not just surveys. You can earn points for watching videos, playing games, and even shopping online. And finally, we have Mobrog, which is a popular international survey platform with a reputation for being straightforward and reliable. The big question is, which of these platforms delivers on its promise of making you money? I've compiled a breakdown of what users are reporting about these apps. Let's look at the numbers. Average pay per survey. My research indicates that SagaPoll surveys typically pay around $0.02 to $1 each. Swagbucks surveys vary widely, but the average is about $0.05 to $1.50. However, they also have lower-paying microtasks. Mobrog seems to offer a slightly higher average, with many surveys paying between $0.07 to $2. Time investment vs. payout. Users report that while Mobrog surveys might pay more, they also have a higher disqualification rate. Swagbucks requires more time to manage various tasks, but its points add up over time. SagaPoll's simplicity means less time is wasted, but the opportunities are more limited. The key takeaway here is that you'll have to put in a significant amount of time to see a decent return on any of these platforms. Based on my research, here are the key pros and cons for each app. SagaPoll. Pros: very simple to use. Low disqualification rate. Cons: very few surveys available. Low earning potential. Swagbucks. Pros: many different ways to earn, lot of content available. Cons: low paying for most tasks. Can be a time sink for little reward. Mobrog. Pros: higher pay per survey. Straightforward interface. Cons: high disqualification rate. Inconsistent number of available surveys. So, after all the research, which one is the winner? If you are looking for the absolute highest pay per survey and don't mind the disqualifications, Mobrog appears to be the most promising. But if you're looking for a simple, no-fuss experience and don't need a lot of money, SagaPoll is the way to go. Ultimately, none of these apps will make you a full-time income, but they can be a great way to earn some extra cash on the sides. Have you used any of these apps? Which one do you think is the best? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this honest breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and guides on earning online in Nigeria. Thanks for watching.